Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy steak and broccoli recipe. I guess you can call it beef and broccoli stir fry. It is so good, packed with amazing flavor, and seriously way better than takeout. Please make sure you turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now let's get started. Okay guys, I'm using flank steak for this recipe and we're going to start by cutting this up. So I'm going to grab my knife and sharpen it very quickly. By the way, these knives were sent to me. They are really good quality. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box if you're interested. So when you're cutting your flank steak, make sure you cut it across the grain just like I'm doing, because they get really tender when they cook when you cut it this way. Once you've cut up your meat, go ahead and transfer it into a large bowl. Then we're going to add some soy sauce and cornstarch. Go ahead and mix everything together until very well incorporated, then set aside. Next, you're going to heat up some oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil gets very hot, go ahead and add the meat. Arrange the meat in a single layer and let it cook on medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want the bottom to get a very nice golden brown color because that's how you get really good flavor. After 2 or 3 minutes, go ahead and toss the meat together and let it cook for about a minute until it's no longer pink. Make sure you don't overcook the meat, otherwise it's going to get really dry and chewy. Once your meat is fully cooked, go ahead and remove from the pan and set aside for later. Next, in the same pan, add some more oil, then we're going to saute some onions. Allow the onions to cook until they get translucent, just like that. Then we're going to add some broccoli. I'm going to cook the broccoli for about 3 minutes. I like my broccoli a little crunchy, so cook yours until they're as soft as you want them. Okay guys? So while the broccoli is cooking, we're going to put together the sauce for this recipe. The sauce is what makes this recipe. In this bowl, I have some beef stock. Into that, I am adding soy sauce. We're also adding some minced garlic and ginger, some brown sugar, and cornstarch. I'm gonna use my whisk to whisk it all together. Then I'm going to transfer the sauce into the pan as soon as the broccoli is cooked. Next, go ahead and add the cooked steak, then mix everything together. Then we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes to bring all the flavors together and to let the sauce thicken. And that's it guys, we are done. We're not playing. Dinner is ready in under 20 minutes and it smells and tastes so good. And make sure you have rice or noodles cooked on the side because they pair so well with this recipe. You guys will love this. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.